Students, welcome to class 10 math class. Previous day we have discussed about the distance formula. Today's topic is section formula. So first of all, we go through the statement of the section formula. So what is the statement? If P xy, the coordinate of P is xy, divides the line segment joining the points A, that means x1 y1, the coordinate of A is x1 y1 and the coordinate of B is x2 y2, that means the line segment joining the points A and B in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally. Okay, in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally. This is A, this is P and this is B, and divides in the ratio m1 is to m2 internally. Then the coordinate of P becomes m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is the statement of the section formula. Now we will prove this section formula. So come to the proof of the section formula. Okay, here you can see from the board, here the A x1 y1, this is B x2 y2 and this is P x comma y, which divides the line segment joining the points A and B. Here from A, a perpendicular is drawn to the x-axis, that is AI, and then from P a perpendicular drawn to the x-axis, that is PS, and from B also a perpendicular drawn, that is BN. Also from A perpendicular is drawn to the PS, that is AM, and also from P the perpendicular drawn to the BN, that is PQ. Now here you can see AP is to PB equals to M1 is to M2. Here P divides the line segment AB joining the points AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. That's why AP is to PB. That means AP by PB equals to M1 by M2. Now we know that from the similar triangle, here the triangle APM is similar to the triangle PBQ. Okay, here triangle APM is similar to the triangle PBQ. Now we know from the properties of the similar triangle that the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. Okay, we know from the properties of the similar triangle that the ratio of the corresponding sides are equal. That means here we can write AP by PB equals to AM by PQ. AM by PQ equals to PM by BQ. Okay, here the corresponding sides, that means AP and PB, the ratio is AP by PP, and the corresponding sides AM and PQ, that means AM by PQ, and the corresponding sides of PM is BQ, so PM by BQ. So I am saying you again from the properties of similar triangle that the ratio of the corresponding sides will be equal. Now we will put the values here. You can see AP by PB, that is taken M1 by M2. Now you have to find AM and PQ. AM means you can see OS minus OR. OS minus OR. OS means X and OR means X1. So X minus X1. And PQ means ON minus OS. ON minus OS. That means X2 minus X. ON means here X2 because the coordinate of B is x2 comma x1, x2 comma y2. So ON equals to x2 here, and OS means the abscissa of the point P, that means x. So it will be x2 minus x. Similarly, PM is y minus y1, you can find from the figure, and BQ will be y2 minus y. Okay. So from here we will get two equalities. M1 by M2 equals to x minus x1 by x2 minus x, and another one is M1 by M2 equals to y minus y1 by y2 minus y. Okay. So from the first equality, I am just doing the cross multiplication. So we get m2x minus m2x1 equals to m1x2 minus m1x. Now putting the terms which indulging the x in the left hand side, it will be x into m1 plus m2 equals to m2x1 plus m1x2. That means x will be m2x1 plus m1x2 by m1 plus m2. This is the abscissa portion, and from the second equality we will get the ordinate portion of the point P. You can do it by the similar way. Just do the cross multiplication and then find the value of y. That will be m2y1 plus m1y2 by m1 plus m2. So we have proved the section formula. Next we will solve just one problem with this section formula. So coming to the first problem of exercise number 7.2. Here, go through the problem first. Find the coordinate of the point which divides the join of minus 1,7 and 4, minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. That means here m1 is to m2 equals to 2:3, and also x1 y1 is minus 1,7, x2 y2 will be 4, minus 3. We have to find the point which divides the joining of the points minus 1,7 and 4, minus 3 in the ratio 2:3. So the required point will be, first of all, the formula m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2 and m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Okay. Now put the values of m1, m2, x1, x2, y1, y2. Here, instead of m1 we put 2, and instead of m2 we put 3. So 2 plus 3. In the denominator it will be 2 plus 3, and in the numerator portion it will be 2 into x2, that means 4. 2 into 4 plus 3 into minus 1, and in the next portion it will be 2 into minus 3 plus 3 into 7. Okay, so it will give you 8 minus 3, so 5 by 5, comma minus 6 plus 21, so 15 by 5. That means the coordinate of the required point will be 1, 3. That means 1, 3. The point is actually 1, 3, which divides the joining of the line segment minus 1, 7 and 4, minus 3 internally in the ratio 2:3. So that's all for today. We'll be back again here with the better problems. Till then, goodbye.